What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, and I'm doing a mega giveaway on the channel for those who are a part of my community before that time period. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you don't miss out. Now, we got a Shiba Inu update, y'all. Shiba Inu going crazy when it comes to volume, and volume indicates one thing to us. We can pay attention to the volume to try to determine what's likely to happen with the price. So before we get into that, I want to tell y'all about this special offer that I've been, really blessing the community with. Now, I first put this offer out for my Mastering Chart Pattern Guide. I put it out to give it out to the first couple hundred people for free, but I seen overwhelming demand for this. Now, people on my team are telling me, we're missing out on some money by, being able to charge for this. But guess what, y'all? I'm going to still give it away for free. Now, this is it. The next 500 people to email me at StockGoatClass will receive, StockGoatClass@gmail.com will receive my Mastering Chart Patterns Guide. Now, listen closely. If you already emailed for this guide, do not email again, or you might push yourself behind the people that you are already in front of. We already got 2,500 people on the list to receive that once it's sent out. We're going to send it out to everybody at the same time. So nobody has received it just yet. We're gathering the list. It's over 3,000 people, and everybody's going to be sent that at the same time. So make sure you get on this list. The next 500 people, StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Make sure you put Mastering Chart Patterns Guide in the subject line. This is very, very important. Now, this is free for you right now. There's absolutely no cost. Only for the first people that are on that list. If you happen to be beyond this list, if you happen to see this video later on, you might end up getting charged for it. But as of now, if you make it within this next 500 people, that means everybody who previously emailed. If you've already emailed me, guaranteed you're going to get it for free. You have nothing to worry about. Now, if you have not emailed me, there's only 500 slots left. It fills up fast, y'all. Each day that I open this up, we see over 1,000 people submit their email. So we got 2,500 people. You become the next 500 group. If you get in that batch, you'll be in that group of 3,000 people that will receive my guide absolutely free, y'all. And this guide will be at minimum around, it's really worth over a $500 value, but I'm going to be giving it out to those that are on my email list for absolutely free. You got to get to that list right now. Don't even wait. Go right now and get that email in, because literally after you see the videos, take a look at the amount of views on a video, and you can just pretty much say about 50% of those people that are watching the video are likely reaching out to grab this guide. So make sure you jump in ASAP. Now let's get into this one. Salute to everybody for rocking with me again, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, and I'll be doing a mega giveaway. So now, Shiba Inu leads Doge, Pepe, Floki as Memecoin see record $80 billion in volume, y'all. You think you've seen Memecoin season? You haven't seen nothing yet. I hope y'all are properly educated, prepared, understanding this information before things really go wild. That's why I'm getting my Mastering Chart Patterns Guide out there to as many people in the community for free. Now, there's only 500 slots left. So tap in ASAP. This guide is going to help you really understand what's going on the chart. It's going to take you from a level of, it looking like a foreign language to you, like, hieroglyphs to you, to something that you can, easily understand, and you can interpret it, and you know what it means, and you know what to do after seeing it. Not only does it show you, but it also gives you insight on what to do when you see these chart patterns. That is very, very valuable, y'all. So tap in, StockGoatClass@gmail.com. So Shiba Inu saw a massive 39% dominance in the Memecoin market volume last week, outperforming Dogecoin amid a cumulative 80 billion volume. The Memecoin market recorded an impressive uptrend from late February to early this month, with most assets in this category witnessing massive price surges. This led a rapid spike in the cumulative market cap of the Memecoin cap and increase in volume as investors move to ride on the upsurge. So when people started to see the Memecoin space, the DeFi side of things taking off, that's when you start to see more money follow suit. More people are going to say, hey, there's gains being made over here. Solana killing it, BNB killing it, Ethereum killing it right now. Well, let's bring some of this money over to DeFi. And that's usually what we see take place. So Memecoin market records $80 billion in volume, y'all. Market intelligence platform Kaiko recently disclosed that the rise in cumulative volume spilled into last week. Notably, the Memecoin market recorded an impressive 80 billion weekly trading volume last week, dwarfing the performance of other market categories. So here's that screenshot from Kaiko. Say meme tokens have seen outsized gains over the past weeks, with weekly trade volume hitting a multi-year high of near $80 billion, y'all. Absolutely crazy when you think about that. So, surpassing the market's leader, Doge, 23 billion, and other large cap non-meme coins such as Sol. So this shows you, y'all, money is in meme coins. Now, I have a paid Discord group where we talk about these meme coin plays. Y'all, we were able to get over 3 plays in the last week and a half inside of that group that did over 20x. That means if you would put $100 in one of those plays, could have turned to $2,000. $1,000 in one of those plays could have turned to $20,000. Now, also, we don't always win. Some of those plays, pull back. Some of them take longer to, pop off than others. But I do have this paid Discord group available for those with a little more risk tolerance, those that like that degen side of DeFi, those that like to, see low cap gems and, take a risk. Because not all the time can you wait until the project gets really big and then expect to see massive gains. Sometimes you have to, roll the dice on a lower cap gem. But it's not financial advice. None you see on this channel is understand in crypto you can make money and you can also lose it. Some people might be upset about me, speaking on the DeFi side, on the risky side, on the degen side of crypto. But y'all, think about it. This is how projects like Shiba Inu first started. If Shiba Inu first started before it was listed on any of those major exchanges and someone was talking about it, a lot of people would have, at that time were saying Shiba Inu is a coin. It's garbage. It doesn't do it. What is it? It's no purpose. It's a joke coin. It's a meme coin. It's no utility. But that's why you got to be early because you never know what some of these projects can do. So email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com if you're interested in getting access to the paid Discord. The paid Discord is $150 to get access and $100 per month. At this point, the price will be increasing later on. So also, y'all, I got my first 174x gain inside of the paid Discord as well, y'all. Now, this was a play that I also called inside of the Discord. I just called it at a different level because when I got in, it was literally like I was okay with losing money on that play. That's how risky it was. Sometimes, I try to do a little more due diligence on the plays that I put into the community. But I think I'm going to start having to, drop some of those riskier plays with an extra warning and just, let y'all know because there's opportunity there. Think about it, 174x. Even $100 would have turned into like 17,000, $200 into 30 plus thousand. So that means, 1,000, what I'm saying? You do the math. Now, let's see. Again, that's DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Do not email the wrong email. Make sure you email the correct email. According to Kaiko, the figure marked a multi-year high with leading market players such as Doge, Pepe, Dog with Hat, Floki, and Bonk making their mark. So like this project, Dog with Hat, this is one of those projects that you would see inside of my paid Discord. This is, baby Dog with Hat. These types of projects, if you're wondering, how do you get hear about these projects early? Why don't I ever hear about them until it's too late? Join my private paid Discord. Now, Shiba Inu contributes 31 billion. However, SHIB saw the highest contribution, commanding a massive 31 billion of the total 80 billion volume witnessed by the entire meme coin market last week. This figure marked a 39% dominance for Shiba Inu. Kaiko confirms that SHIB's volume surpassed Dogecoin's contribution, which stood at 23 billion. What does that mean, y'all? In layman's terms, Shiba Inu is about to go crazy. Shiba Inu is putting points on the board, it's doing work underneath the surface that people don't recognize yet. And I don't mean as far as the team side of things, I'm saying the price action, the sentiment on SHIB is bubbling under the surface right now where people don't even realize that it is about to explode. I know I've been saying it, and people ain't gonna be happy until they actually see it does explode. There's those people that say, man, you said this yesterday. You got to be patient. You got to be patient. The markets will like to shake, the weak hands loose. So if you have weak hands, shake yourself off. That way we can go up faster. Have somebody else with diamond hands, not financial advice, but have somebody that you rock with in your family, your community, your people, your partner. Have them hold a bag and you paper hand off and see if that helps us, rock it. Usually a lot of people see the prices start to go up as soon as they sell. So if some of y'all want to help Shiba Inu go up, start selling. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm just messing with y'all. But usually we see a lot of people complain. I say, hey, what do you want to do? You want to, hold or fold? It's your choice. So, for instance, SHIB saw a volume of 1.5 billion on February 29th, outranking Cardano, Chainlink, Litecoin. SHIB's trade volume surged to 13 billion on March 5th, allowing it to outperform XRP, Doge, BNB, and Solana. Y'all, right now, Shiba Inu is sounding like it's supposed to be a top 3 coin, y'all. Can y'all see that? I'm just asking y'all. This ain't financial advice, but I want to hear from y'all. I'm always sharing information with y'all. I want y'all to share something back with me right now. I really appreciate it. Answer this for me in the comment section. Can you see Shiba Inu becoming a top 3 cryptocurrency? I want y'all to think about that as far as market cap. You know, where the current market cap is, where it would have to be if it did reach that level. And, you know, if you really believe that, you know, that could take place one day. Are you confident enough? Do you have enough conviction to, you know, believe that? I'm curious on what my community thinks. Remember, y'all leaving that in the comment section will help other people, you know, become more confident or less confident too, depending on y'all answers. So, moreover, data from CoinGlass confirms that Shiba Inu is also seeing rising open interest, which is another testament to growing market interest. SHIB's open interest rose from 137 million on March 6th, marking the largest figure recorded since October 2021. Meanwhile, the volume I think they meant derivatives. I think they meant derivatives, but they got derivatives. Derivatives trade currently sits at 700 million, y'all. So a lot of money in Shiba Inu, you know, waiting on the sidelines to be, you know, put into Shiba Inu as well. As soon as you shake yourself loose, you're gonna see smart money, you know, smart money will take your position. Now let's see. Overall crypto market cap at right now $2.68 trillion. We are pulling back slightly, which is okay, cool. You know, think about it. We're pulling back. This is the pullback. This is the pullback sitting at Bitcoin sitting at $70,000. Like, that's a nice, comfy pullback. You know, I got people that hit me up and say, because Shiba Inu pulled back, you know, well, right now it's basically flat, but when it went down to 3,100 points per coin, I got people blowing me up saying it's like, you know, what's going on? Why is it crashing? Why is she continuously falling? It's like, man, y'all got to be patient, y'all. We were just held underwater for, you know, months, like over a year with Shiba Inu being underwater, you know, at those low levels for those who didn't dollar cost average. Now we're above those levels for, you know, not even a good month yet. And it starts to retrace and people are already getting upset. Those are emotional investors. Those people show me that they are likely new in the space and they don't understand how it goes yet. So if you're new and you want to become a better informed investor, I got 3 courses for you. My stock options day trading course, my technical analysis course, and my crypto 101/DeFi course. These courses are very important. The crypto 101 DeFi course will help you move from, well, one, it'll give you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing. And then it'll also get you off of that centralized side of things. I see a large amount of my new subscribers that are only on the centralized side of crypto. Let me break that down quickly what it means. If you are on a centralized exchange, meaning Coinbase, Robinhood, Webull, Binance, anything similar where you have to sign up, put your social security number, your birthday, and your name, address, that type of information. If you have to provide that information, guess what? You do not own your crypto. They do. You got to read the terms and service agreement. If you go and read it, you'll understand that you just basically gave that to them as a loan. Yes, you can access it as long as things are okay. But the moment that things go bad for them or they have to turn off the systems or whatever, you're stuck out in the cold. You will not be able to have access to your crypto. We've seen this happen when Bitcoin and SHIB did a nice little flash crash. Coinbase, we have reports. I seen it myself, you know, so I don't really have to say allegedly, but allegedly, you know, they were turning off the buy button, preventing people from being able to buy when the price dropped low, preventing people from getting cheaper prices. And then once the price went back up, magically the buy button turned back on. Robinhood, Webull, Coinbase were 3 of the ones that people in my community reported to me that it happened to them. Some people said their orders were still able to go through, but the majority of people that reached out said they weren't. So now connected dots to this, y'all. If the price drastically spiked downward and they turned off the buy button, what do you think could happen if the price drastically spikes upward? Can't they turn off the sell button? Now imagine price shoots up. Let's just say shoots up to 1 cent. You're ready to finally sell and take your profits. Then you go to Coinbase and you're clicking on the sell button. You realize you can't even sell and take profit. Now you start to see, you know, SHIB was at 1 cent. You know, obviously when it hits that, you know, that level for the first time, it's gonna pull back. People are gonna all take profit, especially once we hit 1 cent. A lot of people are gonna take profit. That's a lot of people's price target. So now let's say we hit that 1 cent. Now your bag is worth, you know, let's say $10 million. Now you can't sell because you're on Coinbase, Robinhood, Webull, Binance, one of these exchanges. You're not allowed to sell if they decide to turn off that sell button. But guess what? They're unloading all their Shiba Inu at that price. Then once everybody sells, the price drops down. Then they turn up all the buttons back on and allow people to buy in again or to sell. But guess what? You just missed out on all the potential gains that you could have had at that time period. So this is why I highly encourage y'all to understand the DeFi side of things as well. And that's what my Crypto 101/DeFi course will help you do so you don't get left out in the cold. So let's keep going with this. I know I had to plug myself. Anybody that, is tripping off of me promoting my courses, my educational resources, man, this might not be the right place for you. Because as much free value as I give away on this channel, I'm talking about thousands and thousands of hours of free content on this channel, thousands and thousands of free videos on this channel with me just giving up, information that's course level information. If you are bothered by me promoting my courses during that, I just gotta honestly say this channel might not be for you, man. How many movies and TV shows do y'all watch? And there's commercials every, 10, 15 minutes. How many YouTube videos do you watch and then right as soon as you turn on the video, there's commercials playing? If I'm doing a video for a certain period of time, for free, it shouldn't bother people to promote, the things that help me, keep all this going. So, it's valuable information. Nobody has ever asked for a refund on any of the, educational resources that I provide because I really took my time to go into depth and really give it up for y'all. I really wanted to put as much value as, humanly possible into my courses and my guides so that way, y'all are better informed investors. When I say that every single video to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. I'm not playing when I say that. That's what we really doing over here, y'all. So BNB, Ethereum at 3,850, BNB 596. Solana, we seen BNB go crazy yesterday. Solana $169, XRP 66 cents, Cardano 74 cents, Doge 17 cents, AVAX at 52.97, and we got Shiba Inu at 4 zeros, 3,200 points per coin right now, y'all. So that's our update. Don't forget, check the next video, y'all. I'm gonna be doing something really, really cool on the channel. I'm going to be doing a Shiba Inu daily technical analysis report, right? But not only am I going to do that, I'm going to, tap into this next video. The first people to tap into this next video are going to know how to receive my daily Shiba Inu technical analysis report for free. Just the first few people that get over there ASAP. To the next video, make sure you like the video, comment ASAP so I can know who's paying attention and who really wants this for free. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out. Don't forget to follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. And y'all, we got the website coming real soon, DecemberDeMarco.com, man. Stay tuned.